Hey folks, Brian and Sharon here with Pensacola Bay Baptist Association and our Faith and Hope Ministry. We try to bring you a lot of resources, and we have, let's just say, maybe an unboxing we want to do today. This is Kids Night in a Box, and it is a resource for churches, and actually any family. So Sharon, you'll tell us about it and then unbox it?
Yes, we're going to unbox it today. So this is for families to do together. So maybe your family is looking for something fun to do together besides going to a movie or watching a video or something where you can interact with your children. This is a faith-based box that you can do with your kids, so the whole family can get together.
And this is subscription-based.
Subscription-based.
Delivered to your home. Yep. Probably geared for what age would this be geared for?
Elementary age.
Okay.
Or preschool, so preschool through elementary.
Okay, so anyway, hey, I'll bust it, okay, and then let you do the honors.
All right.
All right, we'll see. This came to you. Sorry, go for it.
All right, here we go. And so the first thing we have here are the directions, right? Really important. This is a patriotic one, Stars and Stripes. And so we have all the directions here. And so we have the welcome part.
Okay, all the details.
All the details of everything you need. And then this is the faith part. So it gives you a devotional to do with your children.
Oh, great.
So the faith family fun.
Nice.
Right? So here you can see we have a scripture, a devotional part, all kinds of things you can
Prayer
do.
time, okay.
Right, prayer time.
And I also now see a music sheet.
Music.
So following Row, Row, Row Your Boat.
Right, Brian's going to sing it for you.
Right after the video stops, I will sing it.
Right. So there's always a couple of things that you can cook with your kids. So this one is a watermelon pizza.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
What we got here?
So.
Thank you letter. For your service, and so freedom. So write to a veteran or somebody who has or is serving
active duty, right?
Yeah.
And it gives you directions of things that you could put in a box or an envelope for that person serving in the military.
Oh, okay. Now we have an activity, so we're able to do an activity like a scavenger hunt.
Scavenger hunt, right?
So,
find things that are red, blue.
Red, white, and blue plus something historical, a coin.
Something,
Nice.
Cool. All right, then you can make a hat, right? So here, Brian will model the hat.
Here we go. Look at that.
Brian.
All right.
Yep.
Make family nights good again, or something like that.
Right, like that. Okay, and then we have another snack here.
Even comes with snacks.
Snacks, right?
Stickers.
This is a matching card game that is Liberty themed.
Punch, markers,
crafts,
all supplies.
A book to read with your children.
Okay.
And then this has like 6 different games that you can play, some outside games and some inside games.
All right. So, hey, some great resources. If you are interested in this, again, it's Kids Night in a Box. There's also a whole nother world that is Date Night in a Box. And so we encourage you to look at those resources. Great stuff.
Yeah.
And we just want to grow your family. And so this is another great way to do that. Thanks so much. God bless.